YFL alarms.
Hey guys, so this is a fire alarm collection, so let's get started. First is this Channel Fike Twin Flex smoke detector. Next is a Hotchkiss, it's a SOC E3N, and another one is a Apollo Alarm Sense sounder base. Next is a Hotchkiss YOBS, on a ALGE smoke detector. Next one might be a toned video coming soon, but this is a Washni sounder. Fullian Washni. Next one is a Fullian Solister Fad. Synapse Cycle Call Point. Broken. Old style KAC Call Point. Hotchkiss SOC E3. Fullian Squashny Micro. Apollo XP95 old style KAC Call Point. This one here is a Hotchkiss, it's a ALNE, and this one is from 2018. The rest of them I got is from 2021. ADC heat detector. CQR emergency door release. Banshee MT. KAC Enscape sounder. Fullian Solex sounder. No, it's not a sounder, it's a beacon. Next is a GFE Fault Choir addressable sounder beacon. Older 2005 Washni sounder. The back of the sounder looks different. That sounder over here, I think, is from 2009, like maybe 2000s or 2010s. I don't know. Eton smoke detector. Wait. Yes. C-Tech. I think this is a BF318. (2010). A Cooper smoke detector, Newlec heat detector, and a Menvia smoke detector. Walmart, I think it's a Mo-Flash, I think it's called. It has the same back as the very old Washni sounder from the 90s or the 80s. Apollo Series 65 optical smoke detector. a beacon. This right here is I don't know. It look like a symphony sounder, but it's like an outdoor symphony sounder, I think. I don't know. Apollo loop powered beacon. Apollo XP95 smoke detector. Right here is a Honeywell, I think, old style KAC cool point. That AONE is from 2021. Fullion LX wall base for Varoshny. Some fire alarm sounder beacon, KAC cool point, new style. This one was addressable, but I moved it around, switching boards from the conventional to addressable. Apollo Series 65 heat detector. Broken Explorer addressable cool point. It's actually a Fullion, kind of, cool point. Apollo Discovery open area sounder beacon. Another one of those. Another loop powered beacon, Apollo. This one is with a CTEX sounder base. Kentex Synchro addressable panel. This one was manufactured in 2011. Gent Xenex conventional panel. Ampac Firefinder addressable panel. And a Apollo Explorer smoke detector. I also have more devices. Bye guys!